Welcome to the KMO expedition. What's up, guys? It's your boy Kimsley Zar, and you're tuned into the KMO expedition. So, guys, I hope you had a great week last week, in fact, and a beautiful weekend. Yeah, guys, so today is basically Tuesday. It's the 23rd, right? Yeah, it's the 23rd. It's Tuesday, November, almost 1 a.m. in fact. So today, guys, or this morning rather, we're basically looking at our weekly market recap. So we're recapping last week's trades, guys. Those that we took, it was Euro AUD, I think, and AUD CHF. Yeah, I think it was those two that we analyzed. So right now, guys, we're currently looking at Euro AUD right here. As you can see, so I already entered the trade right around 1.56195, and then came down with me, guys. It came down with me, but I think you guys can see that it actually took a while, because I remember it went into profits and went back into losses, but then again over here, when it corrected, right, give me a second confirmation rather for a second sell. So I took a second sell over here. As you can see, I marked it with this other, yeah, like over there. So I took a second sell over here, guys. So let me show you how it was last week. It's your AUD. It's basically here. See, guys, and this was even before it corrected to the upside like that. This was before it even corrected to the upside. So last week it was yeah, I think I got in at around there. Yeah, actually I got in around right there at that point, right? It broke out as I had expected it would, but then I'd expected that it would just at least give me a small correction and then come straight. But then, as you can see, guys, it actually gave me a bigger correction. See, this is really accurate. The entry rather was pretty accurate. So right here, guys, was basically the correction that we got. So from here, guys, I'm anticipating a sell from there. So I've basically got two trades right now that are running. Yeah, so at least my maximum or minimum targets would be right there rather. And then let's look at AUD. Was it AUD CHF? I think it was, yeah. I think it took me out. I think this one took me out, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, so it's loading a bit slowly. But yeah, so on this one, guys, it didn't quite do what I had anticipated. It's given me a corrective structure to the downside, so I basically put my buy stops around here. You see, guys, I've marked it over there because I had a trade over here, guys. Right, I had a trade over here. It broke out. It came into profits, right, and then just simply took me out right there at break even. Took me out at break even, in fact. So it corrected down to the downside. So this is unnecessary right now to have. So it corrected again to the downside. So basically what I'm expecting here, guys, is a break to the upside, and then my 90% targets at least until that point over there, over here, guys. So along the way, guys, there are other traits that I took that I didn't analyze with you guys, like GBP AUD. Yeah, see, I was already into profits. It's actually yeah, I think I'd hit my take profit over here, right? And then I put another buy stop because I was seeing a continuation pattern over here. Sorry about that. I took another buy stop because I was seeing a continuation pattern over here. So my targets would be there too, the 90% target, right? And I think I had another on US30, guys. Okay, these are the ones that I didn't share with you guys, but at least, yeah. He came up, not quite. Actually, came up until, yeah, I managed it up until about 200 pips was what I gained. This was how it was yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, this was how it was, guys. See, this was before it even committed to the move. Yeah, so this is basically how it looks right now. It broke out, guys. At least gave me my 250 targets, which was a 1.5 reward, which wasn't so bad, guys, which wasn't so bad. So basically that would be all for our recap, guys. I can't really go into all the other ones in detail, guys, because I didn't really analyze them with you, so I wouldn't want to confuse you with all of that. But basically, guys, that's all for today, or this morning rather. So guys, we'll be going through a few more currency pairs along the week. We're just wanting to, basically just waiting for the markets to commit to, you know, to specific directions that we would like to capitalize on. So for now, guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope at least those weekly updates will be more insightful for you guys, so that you can at least grasp, you know, bits and bits of knowledge on them, and so that you guys can actually see that the market actually does play out in the way that we anticipate at times. And we can't always be perfect, guys, but we can always get profit. The consistency is always in the precision that we have in regards to the knowledge that we have attained, guys. So that's all for me, guys. From the KMO team, the marathon continues.